Today, we will discuss Leonardo AI and design. Both enables users to produce new images either through text prompts or by adjusting existing images with AI support. They serve users who require visual content creation, whether for artistic endeavors, graphic design, or various other uses. Both rely on quickly advancing AI technology. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Leonardo AI is primarily focused on AI-driven image creation, placing significant importance on personalization. It stands out in offering resources for training personalized AI models, allowing users greater authority over the style and results of their produced images. It is frequently utilized by individuals who require highly specific stylistic results. Leonardo AI emphasizes custom model training, an AI canvas for in-depth editing, dataset administration, and bulk image creation. Design is a complete AI-powered image editing and design platform that simplifies creative processes by incorporating advanced artificial intelligence functionalities. It enables users to easily improve images using AI photo filters, eliminate unwanted elements, and take advantage of generative fill features. In addition to standard editing, design allows users to create completely new images from text prompts and alter current visuals with the help of AI. The platform offers an intuitive interface featuring layer-based editing and design tools suitable for both beginner and expert creators. All in all, if your primary need is generating highly customized AI images, Leonardo AI is a strong contender. If you require a versatile AI-enhanced image editor with robust editing capabilities, Design is a good choice.